Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the FC Porto fan token on Binance, how to buy it before it's listed on Binance. So if today is your first time of being in my channel, please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more valuable information like this. So without wasting your time, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Binance app and then open your Binance app. It's going to open just like this. Then what you need to do is click on Launchpad. You see Launchpad below, so you click on the Launchpad. So as you can see, the token has just begun. I think it started today, so you still have time left until subscription starts is 10 days. So subscription is going to start in 10 days. So what you have to do right now is to buy your coin, and then you have to buy BNB and then leave it in your Binance account. So you have to buy BNB and then leave the BNB in your Binance account. Don't trade it, just leave it there in your Binance account. So to get prepared for this token, all you have to do is click on it. You will see more information below. You see subscription timeline, BNB holding calculation period. So to participate, your daily average BNB holdings across various accounts will be tailed. More details of calculation can be found there. So like I said, you need to buy BNB and then just hold the BNB on this account. Don't sell or do anything. Just hold it here for the period of the days for the period of these 10 days. So snapshot of this of your BNB will be taken every day for the period of these 10 days. So after that, what you will do next is, after these 10 days, there will be an allocation. As you can see, average BNB holdings, your mass BNB commitment. This your mass BNB commitment after 10 days will show. So you will see how many BNB you can commit to this FC Porto fan token. So you can see how many BNB you will be able to commit after the period of the 10 days. It have to be 10 days before you can see before this calculating bar will show how many BNB you commit. So let's say you bought $30,000 worth of BNB. So after the period of the 10 days, you might be given like $500 or $1,000 as your commitment. So what that means is that you commit that $1,000 worth of BNB. Then after that, the calculation, there will be a subscription phase which I just explained. You will commit that $1,000 worth of BNB to this FC Porto fan token, and then there will be a calculation period. This calculation period, what it means is that Binance is going to calculate how much they are going to take from that your $1,000. So they will take, let's say for example you commit $1,000, they might take like $100 from the $1,000 to buy this FC Porto fan token for you. So what that means is they will return $900 to you. So the other $100 they will give you in form of this FC Porto token. So they are not going to give you back in cash. They are going to give you in form of this FC Porto token. So that is what they are going to do with the other $100. So after that, you will wait. There will be a waiting time. So the waiting time is for this final token distribution. So after this final token distribution, that is what I just explained. This final token distribution means that they are going to give you, remember you committed $1,000 worth of BNB, right? So they gave you $900 back, and they will give you $100 worth of this FC Porto fan token. So that is this final token distribution. So after this final token distribution, it will start trading. So the coin will start trading. Right now, they said the price per coin for this FC Porto token is $1. So one Porto is equals to $1. You understand? So at the end, when Binance lists this coin might go from $1 to $100. So this coin now that you'll see now might be $100 instead of this $1. So that $100 worth of BNB that $100 worth of FC Porto fan token that was given to you might be $1,000. So what that means is you use $100 to get $1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 depending on how fast you sell the coin. So that is how to partake. So the first thing, you need to buy your BNB, and then the second thing, you leave your BNB in your wallet. Then after 10 days, they will give you the amount of BNB, which is the commitment period. They will give you the amount of BNB that you can commit, which is subscription period. You commit that BNB and then you wait. After that, there will be a calculation period. So they will calculate how many BNB they are going to collect from that your 1,000 BNB that you $1,000 worth of BNB that you stake, and then they will give you 900. Let's say for example they give you $900 back in cash. They will give you $100 back in the FC Portal token. So that is how to buy this coin cheap before it goes parabolic. So you can start buying your BNB and get ready for this, guys. It's going to be crazy, trust me. And if you don't want to miss out on more fast update like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because anytime there's a new update like this, I make sure that I rush and do the video for you guys so that you don't miss out. So rush, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.